In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames in Miro. Whether you're new to Miro or looking to enhance your skills, understanding how to utilize frames effectively can greatly enhance your presentation game. Frames in Miro act as containers, not just for visual organization, but also to guide your audience's focus during a presentation. First, let's begin by heading over to your Miro dashboard. This is your starting point, the control center where all your Miro activities take place. From here, what you need to do next is either click on the plus new board option to create something brand new, or if you have an existing project you'd like to continue working on, open that board instead. Once your board is open, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the toolbar. Look for an icon that resembles a frame or square. This is the Frames tool that we're interested in. Click on it to begin designing your frame. Miro offers a selection of preset sizes to choose from, but if none of these suit your needs, you can certainly customize a frame to your specific requirements. This flexibility allows you to tailor the frame precisely to the content you plan to showcase. Now, when you have your frame set up, the next step is filling it with content. You can easily drag and drop shapes, sticky notes, images, or text into your frame. Think of it as arranging pieces on a canvas. It's all about where you want attention to land. The content inside your frame is what will convey your message, so take your time to arrange everything engagingly. Once you have arranged your content within the frame, you might want to present your work. To do this, simply click the Presentation Mode button. Presentation mode is like flipping the switch. It takes your frame from a working space to a professional-looking presentation. This mode ensures that your audience sees only what you want them to see, minimizing distractions and keeping the focus where it needs to be. When you're ready to wrap up or share your masterpiece, turn your attention to the top left corner of the screen where the three-dot menu resides. By clicking this menu, you'll find the Export option. Exporting allows you to save your board and all the work you've done into different formats such as a PDF, image, or even a CSV file if you need your data structured that way. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on how to use frames in Miro. Whether you're organizing your ideas or preparing for a presentation, mastering frames can make your work more cohesive and impactful. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!